No.
Horses arrived from first loop. They started about 2 hours ago and now is behind 40 kilometers. 1/4 of whole distance. There is president of ground jury waiting for riders to say hello and to show how things are going. There is online system which is helping to mark incoming time, first loop finish time. It is going to computer, which is...
Ты думаешь, они нигде не...
Нет, нет.
Тогда очень быстро проедут.
Да, но это первый рут.
Да, но он 40 самый длинный. Они, Харальд ожидал к 9.
К 9.
Я сказал в половину 9, но они приехали еще раньше.
Ну, значит, это...
Скорость где-то 18 километров.
Вот я ожидал тоже 17
высокая.
Высокая. Да, может быть слишком, но посмотрим. Если...
Посмотрим. Да, лишь бы не перебрали.
Конечно, была погода хорошая.
Нормально,
дальше они должны быть смотреть, как быстро
как
ехать и все.
Второй круг у нас, у них 38.
38 желтая. Желтый круг.
Так как я должен перемещаться между финишем и там, да, сюда бы еще одного стюарда, девочкам скажи Лине, что сюда помощь стюарда, ну вот взять карточки и так далее, и так далее надо будет. Не сейчас там, но... Странно, что...
So, this is first results. Now is 120 kilometers. Riders are on third loop. Last 2 loops were okay. Only one who have who didn't pass vet check is Finnish rider Joona Mikkelson. And, his horse is eating grass and resting after first loop. But now is last loop for 80 kilometer riders. They have re-inspection before leaving to last loop. Every horse must be rechecked. They have red mark in the shoulder, which shows that they are okay to go to last loop. so everything okay in this competition. Sun is very high, very hot. Conditions are good. Horses are good, in good condition. And after hour we're waiting from finish line, coming 100 kilometers competitors. We have 8 of them. Lampinen Ritva, Lampinen Tanja, Heigo Rohtla, Anne Rohtla, Virge Laur, Kairit Kalbre, Aivar Taro, Marian Kikas. Also 80 kilometers competitors: Peeta Sleitzinger Jagielska, Kari Kärkkäinen, Olav Kespeli Karstensen, Gun Garson, Sirje Kilits, Vitautas Martinavicius from Lithuania, Ugne Mateikaite from Lithuania, Katrin Liiv representing Estonia, Marilyn Uusna, Egle Kalev, Grete Kaas and Hannes Arvisto. They are all somewhere in the middle of forests and hills in Haanjamaa 2010. And now one of us is waiting for permission to go and ride next loop before finish. We have all data represented in screen in front of start tent. Even riders and officials can see when is exact time to leave, when is coming, what time will come next rider, etc. And this is veterinary inspection, and it is Gun Garson. In the vet inspection now is horse number 23, rider Gun Garson, and horse Billy Idol. They together competing in 80 kilometers track, 1-star CEI competition, international competition in Haanjamaa 2010.
Tal on akud peal, pool peaks ära minema.
Pool peaks ära minema, sest tal on akud, ma ei tea, kui palju need akud toimivad, aga sellest ta näeb, et pool ära läheb. Hästi läheb aku peale, siis ta teab, et kui laeb on.
Pange auto, mis muidu läheb pool ära ja võistlus läbi. See on hea.
And now seems everything okay with Billy Idol. And they have to come to re-inspect before last loop to get marked horse, which shows permission to last loop have got. And number 23, Gun Garson from Sweden. All competitors have to come before starting last loop to vet gate and re-inspect horse.
Taas jätki tuolla läpi.
Kari Kärkkäinen, number 21, representing Finland, with his horse Seljanka. In finish line, our next rider in 2 stars, 120, rider coming from 3rd loop, number 10, Kairit Kalbre with Baltimore. Kairit Kalbre and Baltimore are competing in junior class, 2 stars, CAI. Here we have winner of 1 degree
Yeah, yes.
endurance competition Haanja 2010, Olav Gespeli Karstensen with the horse Altaka Mellemgaard.
Thank you.
So it is
This competition is sponsored by Mr. Ali Mohammed Al Mohairi.
Okay.
more wet.
Congratulations!
Thank you. I'm very happy. Nice country and nice ride.
Was it your first time to win this level?
Yeah, not in this level, but in Estonia for 5 years.
Okay. But at this level you have more wins.
I have 11 horses.
So,
So,
you are,
the first time for this horse in FEE ride.
okay.
Yeah.
So this horse.
One more, Mike, to you too.
Yeah.
We will congratulate you officially, now unofficially.
Yeah, thank you,
You
thank
did
you.
it fantastic.
Yeah.
Really.
It's a fantastic
In
place.
such weather,
Yeah,
but not lose the way anywhere, yeah?
no.
The
Very
track was,
very good mark.
Yeah,
Mark.
okay. It's so nice to
Very
hear
nice place.
for others especially.
It's actually one of the most perfect places I ever have been riding.
Thank
And
you.
I have
thank
been
you
in
so much.
Deutschland and Italy, Sweden, Norway, and Finland. Yes.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
And now Estonia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anders, Mike.
And now we are waiting for results of competition of Seljanka. Number 21, Kari Kärkkäinen, who second the finish.
Okay.
In Ali Mohammed Al Mohairi sponsored competition, Bay Endurance competition Haanja 2010. And we can congratulate second place of 1-star competition.
In accordance with the decision of the Vet Commission,
The horse passed. Congratulations.
Congratulations, second place, Kari Kärkkäinen. And third place, Ugne Matekaite, Sirena.
Good we made it.
ajage taha häälega tasalt. Kui võiks ütelda niimoodi rehvitada.
Tule tagasi, tule tagasi.
Marilyn Uusna, Ruth Naero,
Sinnapoole jooksis jumala igasti.
Kas nüüd on veel midagi?
Jah, ülejäänud.
Marilyn.
And our President of Hungary, Alexander Andreevski,
Marilyn.
saying,
In accordance with the decision of vet commission, your horse passed the final vet examination, and it means you finished. I congratulate you. Thank you.
Applause.
Thank you. Well done. And you also.
minule.
Well done.
Ready? Okay.
She's Syria. Yeah?
Excuse me?
She's
now intermediate
Kirilits, Syria, да?
120
Syria.
kilometers.
Syria.
Syria. Is she, да? She right.
Tanja Lappinen,
She writes, yes.
the crew, Karan. Virge Laur, Pylvela, 3 kilometers per hour.
In accordance with the decision of vet commission, your horse passed the final vet examination. It means you finished this competition, and my
120
congratulations.
kilometers.
Thank you.
And see you on to the next competition. Yeah?
Seda
Well
pilti
done.
kindlasti annab, kus ta
You
musitab.
are very nice. You are very nice. Thank you.
Mulle pole kikist koolisid.
Come to us. In accordance with the decision of vet commission, your horse passed the final vet inspection, and it means that you finished the ride. My congratulations, Father.
Only 10? Only 10?
Number 20, super fighting Bulgarian of Karan Sindar.
He'll be forced to do damage.
Võistluste raames.
Katsutajad koos oma hobustega.
Närviline kruum. Närviline või?